Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using a tier list to rank certain Union Pacific locomotives. So, let's get into it. So first we have, the reason why they're in scrap, I'm not saying they should all be scrapped, I'm just putting it here because there's no room on the tier list for that stuff. So here we have the environmentally friendly diesel SD40s. These ones are the environmentally friendly ones. These ones are the normal ones. Let's say probably B tier maybe. Yeah. Okay. So next, we have the normal Union Pacific SD40-2. So if we come up here, they're pretty decent. So I'll give them C. Okay, so here we have the SD70M-2. I'm only ranking these by looks. This I'll give at least a D, maybe. Up next, we have the Union Pacific GEVO ES44 AC, not the ET44 AC, because you can tell if you look at the back of the engine hood. So these look kind of good. I'm gonna say I'll put them in C with the normal. Okay, here's a DD40. I'm gonna put it in, let's say A tier. Why not? It looks good. I'm not gonna give it A tier. I'm not gonna give it S tier due to certain things. Okay, so here we have the Union Pacific AC 4400 CW. These do look good. Sometimes I confuse them with GEVOs. Like when I was younger, I confused them with GEVOs, but now I don't anymore. And I'll give them C. Just put that up there real quick. Now we have the DD35A. Now, some of you may have never heard of these, but these were the predecessors of the DD40. Like during the 1970s, before these came around in the 80s. So they do look kind of bad, but at the same time good. So these are my honest opinions. I'm gonna give it D. Yeah, D. Here we have the SD90 Mac. Here we have the SD90 Mac. Some people might actually confuse these with SD70 ACUs from Canadian Pacific, but those are way different. And you can tell these are different because if you look at the engine hood again, you can tell if you look at a Canadian Pacific SD70 ACU, they have like two different hoods, but they still have the same end. So I'm gonna give them. Yeah, that. Okay, so now here we have a switcher that I don't know which class it is, but Let me know down in the comments what the heck that is. I'm gonna give it, what should I give it? I mean, it kind of looks good and bad at the same time. I'll put it in, C, behind the AC 100. That's, okay. Here we have the C30-7. These look similar to the DD35As, but they're actually not similar due to the DD35s having a four-wheeled. You get the deal, basically. This one's longer, this one's shorter. So, which one should I... So, I mean, these kind of look good. I'm going to put them in B ahead of the Mac. Here we have the SW 1200 or 1500, I'm not sure. This one, I'm going to give it like an A. Wait, no, hang on. Let's give it B right here. Here we have the SD45. These look pretty good, so I'm gonna put them with the DD40. Okay, so here we have the ET44 AC. These look similar to Dash 9s. I actually confused one once. These have pretty goated horns, so I'm gonna give them, let's give them B on the high tier. Next we have the GTEL. These look similar to frickin' E8s. I know, they literally look like E8s, but if you look at the bogies, you can tell they're not E8s. So I'm gonna give them D. I'm gonna give them D at the high tier. Next we have a U50. U50s are literally one of the worst locomotives in like Union Pacific's history. They only lasted like, I don't know, like a year. F. Here we have the MP15AC. This is another switcher that looks similar to the SW1200s, but they're actually not similar. I've heard of this for a while, so I'm gonna give it B in the middle. Here we have a yard slug. Yard slugs are so goated, they actually like are rare to see anymore. So here we have the GP40 EMD GP40. So this GP40, where should it go? I'm gonna give it, for looks, I'm gonna give it B. Here we have the SD60. These lasted for quite a while, actually. I'm gonna give them B. I'm not putting them in there because they're yellow, because that would be stupid. So, this is part 1, so I hope to see you again in part 2. Bye-bye.